Alright guys, this is our problem for today. If you have not written it already, you need to pause the video and get this written down. It says Ty listed the amounts he paid for drum lessons for 3 months. July, $108, August, $78, September, $65. And what is the amount Ty paid for drum lessons for these 3 months? Okay, so all you need to do today first is your cube strategy. So you need to circle your numbers first. Here, here, and here. I also have the word 3 right here and the word 3 right here. And we'll decide in a minute if we really need that number. Okay, so I did my C. Underline your question. What is the amount Ty paid for drum lessons for these 3 months? Okay, let's see, I'm going to box important words. Maybe amount. This one doesn't really have any key words that tell you to add, subtract, multiply, or divide, but we're looking for an amount for 3 months. I think that is important because we're not going to actually use the number 3. So I'm going to actually eliminate this one, but I need to know that I need the amount for all 3 of these, right? It didn't just say July and September or August and July. I mean, I need all 3 of them. So I think I could box those and say those are pretty important. Okay, so now we solve with our UPSC, but today we're only going to do U. In the U, do not forget, that's where you're going to tell me what you're going to find. So you're going to restate this sentence, the question, as a statement. So, I will find the amount Ty spent, and I'm going to change it a little bit because instead of writing 3 months, I'm going to say I will find the amount Ty spent for drum lessons in July, August, and September. So I remember when I go tomorrow to do my plan and my solve that I need all 3 of those. Okay, and it's okay to change it a little bit if it helps you understand it more.